So this is the video to demonstrate my PA5 that implements the iterator and the visitor pattern for collision detection in the Space Invaders game. As you can see here in my composite diagram, I've included the iterator with a forward iterator, a reverse iterator, and then also included the composite and leaf with a collision visitor that implements all the visited methods, and then each alien category here has an accept method for handling the double dispatch for the collision detection system. So as you can see, that's the code for that, and I will run the demo now. So right now I've got a ship here at the bottom. It shoots up a missile and collides with the alien group. I had a little bit of difficulty getting the grid boundary for the outlying grid to show up correctly, so I'm going to fix that in the near future. And then also the deletion of the alien sprites. I'm going to work on that as well in the future day or two. So those were some troublesome issues I had. Hope to fix those really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.